How to enable voicemail on TextNow. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. From the home screen, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Then go to Settings. Scroll down until you find a section labeled Calling or Voicemail and Call Forwarding. Next, tap on Voicemail to open its settings. Here you will see option to enable voicemail. Simply toggle the switch on and voicemail will be activated for your account. By default, TextNow provides a standard voicemail greeting, but you can also record a custom greeting if you'd like to personalize it. Just tap the option to record, speak your message clearly and save it. From now on, whenever someone calls you and you are unavailable, they will be able to leave you a voicemail. Voicemails can be played back directly inside the TextNow app, making it easy to check missed calls and messages anytime. Now you know how to enable voicemail on TextNow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.